What's good, my fellow Natiba Slayers? In this video, I'm going to do some quick math with you. Let's get into it. So I have the simple puzzle here, and I got the wisdom puzzle completed. The wisdom puzzle, I ain't gonna lie to you, it took me about 9-10 minutes to figure this one out. I was hurt. I ain't gonna lie. But the simple puzzle is quite easy. When you take a look at it, you says, oh, I'm so bored. Won't somebody please play with me? Whatever. Yeah, that's kind of wild when you read that out loud. But anyways, so I'm going to break this down into two sections. I'm going to give you the hint so that you can try to figure it out on your own if you want to, or the answer is going to be right at the end and you can skip straight to it if you want it. So for this one, it's a little bit of quick math. If you look closely at it, you have a small numbers on the left side with @ signs between them and a large number on the right. What you're going to have to do is you're going to have to figure out some type of arithmetic to get the number on the right side. Different things you can do with these numbers. You could probably add them together, multiply them, or subtract them to see if you get the number on the right side. Of course, the numbers on the left side are smaller than the numbers on the right. So since you want to make a bigger number, which is on the right side, multiplying these numbers together might be a good idea to figure out what you need to do for this puzzle. And I'll go ahead and skip to the answer right here. This is the math. You got the 4 @ 7 @ 8, and if you look at the answer, it's 28, 56, and 84. So you don't have to look at that like a full number, just break it down. So 4 times 7 is 28, 7 times 8 is 56, and then 28 plus 56 is 84. The next one is 9 times 3, which is 27, 3 times 5, which is 15, and then you add 27 into 15, and you get 42. Now the last one is a little bit easier because you got 6 times 2, which is 12, and 2 times 7, which is 14. 12 plus 14 is 26. Now you got 5 times 6, which is 30, 6 times 7, which is 42. So 30 plus 42 is 72. With that being said, you're going to take that entire number, which should be 30, 42, 72. You're going to put that into the console over near the Orcal, and that'll be your answer for this puzzle. Now for the next puzzle, the wisdom puzzle, this one took me literally about 10 minutes. I sat here with a pad in front of me and I tried to figure it out. I refused to touch the internet for this. So I don't blame you for coming and checking out this video. I'm going to give you the hint, and then from there, I'll give you some time to figure it out on your own, and you can just skip to the end of the video to get the answer if you want it. So let's jump into this. So this one is, oh, you're pretty good. Should I give you a harder puzzle to solve? It got 37 # equals 928. 77 # 44 equals 3,993. 123 # 17 equals 14,840. Bruh, that don't make no damn sense. At least the last one kind of gave you like this rhythm so that you kind of notice the pattern that went along with it or whatever. This right here, there's no pattern. It's literally, you have to figure out the exact number that they're looking for to get the number on the right. Now, I sat here and I added these numbers together. I subtracted them. I did everything. But the real answer is actually to do more than one thing to the left side in order to get the right side. That's all I'm going to say. So you might have to multiply these together, subtract them, and then do something fancy with that. You might have to add these together a couple of times, do something like that. So I'll let you figure that one out. Good luck with that. It's not as hard as you think it is if you start to manipulate the numbers on the left side to equal the number on the right. Now for those who just want the damn answer, let's jump into it. You got 37 # 21. So if you take 37 and 21 and you add those together, you're going to get 58. If you take 37 and you subtract it from 21, you're going to get 16. If you take 16 and you multiply that to 58, you get 928, bro. Now, who the hell thought of this math problem? Like, real talk, the dev team that greenlighted this one, I want to talk to the man. Like, I want to talk to my mans and really see what he does with his life. Like, I realize that they're probably men among men because they completely created this entire game with one hand. Pretty impressive, but damn, this math problem right here is kind of crazy. Anyways, so the answer to this one is you have 71 minus 6, which is 65. Then you have 71 and you add that to 6 to get 77. You take 77 and 65, you multiply those together to get 5005. You're gonna take that over to this console right here, plug that number in, and boom, there's your answer. If you like what we do here in the channel, make sure you smash that like button and sub to the channel so that you don't miss out on any more tips, tricks, guides, and a whole lot more for Stellar Blade. This was your boy Emma Emerson Stage D. For now though, I'm gonna take my Wastelander fit and I'm gonna go do something else in the game. I'm out of here.